Now let's apply the same logic for the post mapping. We don't want to return a string, we want more something like this response entity student. So we're going to copy and paste a response entity student, and then we can do something like student. We invoke the service, and we can actually just copy and paste this method. Now we want to return the student. No, we want to create a response entity which is more clean, so we are going with the response entity OK, and then we use maybe we can call this created student, it's more clear, and use this as a body. Now there's an error here, of course, because we didn't update the create student. So we control click on this method and we change this by remove this string, and we go with here we want a student, and okay, that's great. Student repository dot save student. Now if we start the application, we can run our application, and then we can wait a little bit. No, okay, now it's started. We can go on Postman and click on post, create a post request, and try with Rick Ross, and let's click send. Great. Now this response is more clean. You have your created entity, your student, as a response, and then if you go on the beaver, press F5 or right click and refresh, and here we have Rick Ross.